Here I've got OPPO A31 and let me show you all secret codes that you can use on your device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer and let me enter the first code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with both IMEI numbers assigned to your device. These are unique numbers that you may use, for example, to check your device. So smoothly enter this short code and then you will be provided with IMEI details. Click on OK to go back, and now you'll open software info. To enter it, just enter the code, which is *pound 6776 pound. And as you can see here, you've got the detailed software version info. So at first you've got model, Android version, baseband version, kernel, master date, version, color version, branch version, and plenty of other very useful details. So let's go back. Let's go to another code. And this is *pound 888 pound. And here you've got engineering mode, so you can smoothly check your device by scanning this QR code. That would be all for this one. Now let's enter *pound 426 pound *. And as you can see, now we open diagnostic mode. Here you can check events and also status. And if you would like to activate advanced view, just tap on more icon and then select advanced view. And as you can see now, you can read some further details. So that would be all for this one. And another code, actually the last one, it's *pound 225 pound *. And as you can see now, we are in calendar info. So here you will find all events, all celebrations, any important dates or notifications that you have in your Google Calendar on or on your device's internal storage. So it's here and you will not be surprised by any upcoming event. So that would be all. These are all secret codes that you can use in your OPPO A31. Enjoy and use them as only you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.